Silicon Beach trainers are experienced people from industry, and they bring to the training courses a wealth of experience, examples and case studies from their own work in commerce and industry. This leads to very productive discussions with the people on the course, and because of the small class sizes at Silicon Beach, there's a lot of opportunity for people to exchange their experiences and get a lot of benefit from the courses. Learning face-to-face in the classroom has a number of advantages. The key one is that even on a public course with a standard agenda, we can adapt the material and the way it's presented to the people that are on the course. We have case studies, but we can also use people's own experiences and draw those into the training and use those as examples to teach the methods and tools of Lean. You might ask who Lean training is for, but really Lean training is something that can benefit anyone. Indeed, many organisations are now giving Lean awareness training to all their staff so that everybody's aware of the tools and methods and speak the same language. So for organisations it's an advantage that everyone can use the Lean language, and for individuals it's a transferable skill that they can use elsewhere if they move around in the organisation or even outside the organisation. Lean thinking is a set of tools that allow you to improve processes in industry and in commerce. It's widely used in many organisations. It actually originates in the Toyota production system used by Toyota to become a very successful motor company. It's now used in all sorts of industries, service, transactional industry, and it's based on focusing on the customer and doing in your job what the customer really wants, doing things that the customer is happy to pay for, which we call value added, and things that the customer wouldn't be happy paying for, which is non-value added. And there's a set of tools in Lean thinking that allow you to identify the things that are value adding for the customer and things that are non-value adding. By removing the non-value adding things, the wastes, you can make the process operate quicker, to higher quality, and generally give the customer a better service. Lean training has traditionally been associated with manufacturing and with widgets, but in fact its biggest use these days is to improve processes which are serving the customer through office processes, hospitals, finance, insurance and so on. So it's widely used in office and service processes very successfully. It focuses on the customer and allows you to drive out waste in your processes. From a personal point of view, it's a very useful skill to have because many industries are using Lean these days, and if you look at job advertisements you'll see that a lot of them mention the need to have Lean skills. So Lean is something that's becoming a very widely used and almost universal tool to simplify and improve service to customers. Silicon Beach offer 3 courses around Lean. There's a one-day Lean awareness course that introduces the idea of customer focus and analysing your processes into value adding and non-value adding using tools and mapping. The 3-day course, which is Lean Processes and Tools, develops those ideas. It's a standalone course, but it does more on tools for identifying wastes, more on mapping, more on value stream mapping, and covers root cause analysis, which is a set of tools used for identifying root causes and finding solutions. The 3rd course is a 2-day value stream mapping course, and this allows you to develop value stream mapping on case studies and to use it on processes in your own workplace. And we'd cover just enough Lean in that to be able to get really big benefits from using value stream mapping in your own workplace when you're back at work. If you want to take your Lean training beyond the introductory courses, then there are a number of courses that Silicon Beach offer. One is Greenbelt Training, which is a 1-week intensive course covering all the methods and tools of Lean, Six Sigma and Theory of Constraints. And there's the Black Belt Conversion course that goes 2 weeks beyond that for a really thorough grounding and practice in all the tools. We've also got Business Process Management course, and we've got the Value Stream Mapping course, both of which will take your skills in those particular areas beyond the introductory Lean courses.